It's CBN. You didn't know?
Bringing today's weekly stock update video is voice acted by an AI due to our host Caitlin taking care of some business matters. Please enjoy the following weekly update. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the weekly update, brought to you by CBN Financial. I'm your host. Whether you're on your grind, sipping iced coffee, or doom scrolling in bed, I'm here for you.
Okay,
and hey,
so let's talk about what happened in the markets this week. And spoiler alert, it was kind of a roller coaster. The S&P 500 dropped 1.1%, the Dow sank 1.8%, and the Nasdaq slid 1.3%. Not exactly a fun Friday, but let's unpack why. A major story this week was the geopolitical tension. Israel launched strikes on Iran's nuclear sites, and that immediately sent oil prices flying up more than 7%. That kind of global tension makes investors very nervous. As a result, many started pulling money out of stocks and shifting into safer assets like gold, which went up about 1%, and the US dollar, which got stronger too. Now, for my tech lovers, there was a lot of action there too. Adobe beat earnings expectations and raised its full-year forecast. Sounds great, right? But investors weren't impressed, and the stock still fell over 3%. Sometimes the market just says, meh. AMD dropped news about their next-gen Mi-400 AI chips launching in 2026, and showed off their Mi-350 series too. These babies are supposed to deliver 4x the computing power, but AMD stock still dipped about 2.5%. Tough crowd. Lam Micron Technology? They're investing over $200 billion in US semiconductor production. That's right, $200 billion with a B. That move is expected to create around 90,000 jobs. Major play for the American chip game. Zooming out for a sec, those Middle East tensions also shook up airline stocks. Lufthansa, Air France, KLM, EasyJet, all down 3-5. Flights were rerouted or canceled in areas around Israel, Iran, Iraq, and Jordan. The ripple effects? Very real. Stock market 101. What does it all mean? Alright, now that I've thrown a bunch of market terms at you, let's break down a few, so you're not just nodding along pretending to know what an ETF is. I got you. Bull market, when prices are rising and everyone's feeling good. Think of a bull charging forward up, and away. Bear market, opposite of a bull market. Prices are falling and vibes are not great. Like a bear swiping down. Dividend. Some companies pay their shareholders a little thank you gift just for holding their stock. That's a dividend. ETF, exchange traded fund. Imagine a basket of stocks like a bundle of goodies, all traded like one single stock. Super beginner friendly. IPO, initial public offering. When a private company goes public and sells stock to everyday people for the first time. Big day.
And hey, don't forget to check out our other shows, Trend Breakers and CBN Financial News, where we keep you in the know with finance, market trends, and everything in between. That's it for this week's weekly update. Thanks for hanging out with me. And remember, money doesn't have to be boring. And investing isn't just for Wall Street brothers. You've got this.